Our plantain is done. Hi guys, welcome to Amuna Foods. Today we are going to show you how to fry plantain. As you can see here, we got a lot of them for a large family. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, comment, share the video, and give us a like. God bless and thank you. Okay, so we are going to just peel off the plantain, guys. Quick. You know the weather is very cold now, so the plantain bruise, the color changes very quickly. You know, even though it from the inside is okay. So I'm just going to put this now. Yeah, you can tell that the oil is hot enough. Another thing I wanted to mention is this plantain looks discolored. It's just that because of the weather, it kind of probably got a little bit frozen and then it got ripened, but it is still good. There's no problem with it. It's browning, getting there. Just have to make sure that each part, each side is actually brown well. That's why I keep on mixing. Our plantain is done. So we take it out, take them out. You have to pay attention when you are actually, frying plantain, because should you just make a mistake of just leaving it here frying and you go to start watching TV, hey, your labor will have been in vain. Just pay attention to it. After all, it doesn't take that long. So make sure that it comes out the perfect color that you want. Like this is just perfect. So our plantain is done. Make sure that you always put a kitchen tissue in the container that you're going to use for putting the plantain, so that the oil can get absorbed. You can again also put some tissue and just dab. You dab it like that. You can keep it there. When you're making more, you can put more on here. Put the other one on top so that the tissue can absorb the oil and it doesn't go onto the first one that you put. So guys, I just wanted to show you very quickly. This is how you really know you picked the right plantain, because when you break it like that, it's not too soft and it is not too hard. So this is really a good quality.